Hi, welcome back to Earthly Jewels Boutique with another resin tutorial video. I'm doing a couple of flower coasters for the resin bloom technique, and I mixed up about 8 ounces of resin. I might have a little extra, but I'm pouring about 2 ounces in the coasters right now. I have my crushed glass here and I'm putting some in the middle, and that's my cat, sorry about that. You want to make sure to mix up the crushed glass so that they kind of sink, but they are pretty heavy so they will naturally sink to the bottom of the coaster. So I am working with 4 different colors of alcohol inks here. The first one is like supposed to be a yellow, but it kind of got mixed in with some green at the tip, so you'll see in this second coaster it kind of comes out a little bit green. I do need to buy a new one for that. Second color I have here, I believe, is the hot pink. Oops. And I am dropping in 4 drops, followed by the ruby alcohol ink. So 4 drops of the ruby one as well on each of the coaster. And then next is the violet colored. It's kind of like orchid, I believe it's called. So in between those colors, I do the purple, and you can see that it's spreading out throughout the coaster. The color looked kind of thin, so I'm doubling up on that. And I'm gonna be doing the yellow one in the middle again. Take a look at that. That one came out a little bit more green. So just to zoom in there. And I did mix up some white, but right now it's looking still a little thin. You're gonna want it to be quite thick. So after some time, I decided to go ahead and redo the colors because they spread out a lot, and colors looked a little thin, so I went ahead and dropped all the colors again. Upon looking back though, I think instead of waiting, I'm gonna do the colors right away. Maybe do 2 or 3 drops right away so that it doesn't get all muddled and the color got kind of messy. So next time I'll do that. For this, I am dropping in some mica powder in the resin, and it's kind of shimmery here, and I believe I put maybe 1 drop of the orchid on that as well. So I went ahead here and I'm doing the petals in a round shape, or like a spiral, but I do notice that the resin is still quite thin. I haven't been using a thermometer to measure the temperature, so I'm just gauging it by how it looks, and this is definitely quite thin. I would like to have waited a little bit more because it is harder to drop it in neatly like this. You see like it squiggles, but we'll see how that goes. And I'm just going around in circle and making sure I fill in all the spaces there. I also will try going a little bit slow so that it's more arranged, like the circles. I don't know if that'll make a difference. I'm still learning here. Next step is to draw in the petals. So I'm using this little spatula, and I'm just pulling from the outside going in, outside going in, And then in between that, I'll do that again. There we go. Finished with that first coaster and doing the second one. And then from here, you go inside pulling out. It gives it kind of like a little point. And you don't have to do that. You can leave the pedal as is, but I wanted to see what this will look like. And it kind of reminds me of like a stargazer flower. So we'll see how that turns out as well. And then you'll notice that the colors have kind of jumbled together. I'm doing a little swirly in the middle. There we go. And that will be that. Just leave it alone to cure. And the next day it looks like this, completely cured. It's about 24 hours and I'm about to demold it. Let's take a look what it looks like. And 1, 2, 3. There we go. And I think it looks good. I do like the sparkle in the middle. The swirlies, a little bit heavy, but overall I liked it. So second coaster demolding here. Take a look. And that is 1, 2, 3. And another pretty one. I think the petals are a little crazy, but I do like how it bloomed and I love the colors. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos about crafts and my small business journey. And I'll have another resin video for next week. Come back soon. Thanks.